Nature's infinite colors. The world we live in is filled with so many colors, displayed in nature, showcasing God's gift to us. The colorful clothes we wear is inspired from nature. Adding to our beauty, we have colorful makeup and accessories. The blue ocean and the lovely blue sky, the white snow-clad high mountain peaks, the thick green forests that stand so tall, and the golden sand deserts that stretch afar. The white pretty flowers adorning the landscapes, the beautiful color of sunrise and sunset, the attractive butterflies and colorful birds that fly in the sky, and the wonderful fishes swimming in the sea. The rainbow of 7 colors that appears in the sky after the lovely showers of rain subsides. They create a feeling of pure bliss, making us wonder how and why it exists. God has carefully chosen infinite colors. The color coding is simply mind-blowing. Beyond our imagination, we see God's handiwork, and it's only amazement that fills our heart, mind, and soul. Colorful nature are a treat to our eyes. It makes us happy and brings a smile. Let us choose colors wisely to add beauty, never to denote any sort of rivalry. Admiring the beauty of the splendid colors, it's a reminder to each one of us to thank God, our amazing, wonderful Creator, who has carefully designed colors for us in nature.